Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car. So as always, we're going to go in with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through both major talking points and features of the interior and exterior. I'm then going to go around, take a seat inside the vehicle and talk you a little bit in depth of the interior features a little bit more. The vehicle itself is the 420i M Sport GRAN COUPE and is equipped with probably the finest four-wheel drive system to be fitted to everyday saloon and of course coupe vehicles such as this one. It has got the Xdrive system equipped to it and we'll get more into that very shortly. Alongside that, this vehicle comes with BMW's M Sport Plus pack. It is presented in the fantastic Snapper Ox Blue and of course we've added the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to really enhance and finish that exterior look off very nicely. You'll also see at the front of the vehicle is a 2017 67 reg. Alongside that, it's got the facelift that the 4 Series has, so we get them very nice darkened LED lights. 19-inch 704M alloy wheels that are all in fantastic condition, as you can see there, along with the M Sport Plus brakes, which are not only larger on front and rear, you also get a better, longer lasting brake pad as well. We've got the dark black gloss back mirror caps as well. Down the side of the vehicle, satin side vinyls, gloss back sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. Again, another feature of the Plus pack is the sun protection glazing you see on the rear windows. We've got the incredible black Dakota leather with the oyster highlights in this vehicle that comes with the heated and electric lumbar options as well. And again, as part of the Plus pack, we've got the Harman Kardon with Logic 7 surround sound, as you can see there. The rear seats for the GRAN COUPE, you'll find the 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest. And on this vehicle, once again, all extremely nicely presented. And being the M Sport model, you get that superb black headlining, as you can see there. All in nice condition throughout. And again, in colour contrast, the black Dakota leather works extremely nicely with that Snapper Ox Blue, which is arguably one of the most eye-striking and fantastic colours to be put on the BMW range of this year. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, we've got both high gloss rear diffuser and matching spoiler. And as I mentioned, there is that Xdrive badging, as you can see there. And I'll open up the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which you'll find on the 4 Series GRAN COUPE. Xdrive is a very sophisticated four-wheel drive system and does not rely on any of the clunky old-fashioned systems, unlike a lot of other manufacturers still do. Therefore, it's good for many reasons. It does not take up any of your luggage capacity. As you can see there, it's a very lengthy, deep, long boot. Alongside that, it will not eat into any of the passenger compartments either. So you've got a spacious, big booted, four-wheel drive vehicle, which looks as good as this one. So it's ticking all of the right boxes, I'm sure you will agree. One last look at the exterior of the car. You can also see the facelifted rear LED lights as well. So we'll move on now and take a further look at the interior specs in a bit more detail, as there's yet more special features on the inside of this car. So once we're sat inside and nice and comfortable, we're greeted by the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll just flick through a couple of the features and functions of that. Starting with a very nice one in the fact that it has got the Connected Drive Plus feature. This gives you access to online search, news and weather apps, which are all powered by Google and utilise this vehicle's own onboard 4G network, meaning you're not using your own data. As you can see there, of course, it does come with satellite navigation, which is again a very user-friendly system, using real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. You've also got Bluetooth telephone and of course audio, along with DAB and a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including the superb music collection, USB, AUX. And if I click down into the very main menu, you can again, thanks to that facelift, they've separated everything into nice, user-friendly and a little bit nicer on the eye sub-menus. This vehicle has covered just over 9,000 miles, so it's an extremely low mileage example of an absolutely incredibly high spec 420i Xdrive. So of course, having covered just a little mileage, it does of course come with full BMW service history, having its first service at only just over 8,000 miles, and it's not due its next service for 18,000 miles, which is great news for any potential next owner, being that the fact of course it's a low mileage vehicle, and of course it's not due a service for a long time. So as always, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video and found it useful. And of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please drop them down below, where as always, I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information, website links in the description. And most of all, guys, we do hope to see yourselves very, very soon here at your next car. If you are wanting to be kept up to date with all of the latest and newest stock here at your next car, remember to hit the subscribe button. That is the best way to do so, and that way I can keep bringing you these videos, and that way you can be kept up to date with all of the latest and newest stock. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. Most of all, guys, we really do hope to see you very, very soon here at your next car. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.